Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for you. On the left, we have the Phase dash cam front and rear 2K+1080P with 64GB SD card and built-in Wi-Fi. And on the right, we have the VEEMENT dash cam front 2.5K. Get ready for some epic showdowns as we dive into the features of these two dash cams. Let's get started. When it comes to capturing the road, video quality is crucial. The Phase dash cam boasts a 2K+1080P front and rear camera, ensuring crystal clear footage from every angle. But hold on, the VEEMENT dash cam steps up the game with its 2.5K front camera, capturing even more detail with its advanced Starvis sensor. It's like watching your favorite movie in ultra-high definition. Driving at night can be tricky, but fear not. Both dash cams come equipped with impressive night vision capabilities. The Phase dash cam uses its GCC-MOS sensor and f1.5 aperture to achieve super night vision, ensuring clear videos even in extreme dark scenarios. On the other side, the VEEMENT dash cam takes it up a notch with its ultra-large f1.6 aperture and WDR technology. It's like having a superhero vision for your car. Now let's talk about connectivity. The Phase dash cam comes with built-in 2.4G Wi-Fi and an app for easy control and live streaming. You can download, edit, and share your footage with just a tap of a finger. Sharing those epic road trip moments with your friends and family has never been easier. On the flip side, the VEEMENT dash cam also offers smooth 2.4G Wi-Fi app control, allowing you to manage your recordings on your smartphone. It's like having a personal assistant for your dash cam. Size matters, especially when it comes to dash cams. The Phase dash cam boasts a mini and compact design, making it virtually unnoticed when mounted behind your rearview mirror. No worries about obstructing your vision while driving. And guess what? The VEEMENT dash cam follows suit with its safe and mini design. It won't get in your way, ensuring a clear view of the road ahead. It's like having a stealthy ninja protecting your car. We can't forget about parking mode, can we? The Phase dash cam automatically switches to parking mode when your car is parked, providing continuous protection. It detects collisions and even attempted theft, ensuring around-the-clock security. But wait, the VEEMENT dash cam also has your back with its 24-hour parking monitor. It activates and records emergency videos upon detecting collisions. Your car will be safer than Fort Knox. The Phase dash cam and the VEEMENT dash cam battling it out in our epic comparison. Both products have their unique strengths, whether it's the superior video quality, impressive night vision, seamless connectivity, compact design, or advanced parking mode. Now it's up to you to decide which dash cam suits your needs best. And there you have it, folks. The Phase dash cam and the VEEMENT dash cam battling it out in our epic comparison. Both products have their unique strengths, whether it's the superior video quality, impressive night vision, seamless connectivity, compact design, or advanced parking mode. Now it's up to you to decide which dash cam suits your needs best. Don't forget to check the links in the description below for more information and current prices. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more comparisons and smart buying tips. Remember, at Buy Smart, we've got your back. Stay tuned for more awesome content. See you next time.